Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video I told you guys that we're going to learn step by step on how to create a website. So we successfully installed WordPress into our website, and then now I'm going to explain the back end, which is here, and this is the front end. I hope you guys remember that. This is the front end and this is the back end of the WordPress. This is where you install things that you need. So first, this is our dashboard, like a home where you can go back, and this is post. This is post where you make all your posts. We click on it now, you're going to see a default post. A default post that is being made automatically after installing the WordPress. That should be this hello world here. This is the default post, but I don't know why it's I think my connection is kind of disturbing. Let me rectify that shortly. So sorry for the connection. We're back online. So this is the default post here. It's actually not important, because you can add a new post if you want to create a post. So out of the post you have an add new post, you have categories, you have tags. I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to come back to this area when we are building our website. So down here you have your media, you have your library. This is where all the information like the pictures and the video you upload on your website is going to be stored here. Now we have the pages. The pages, I'm going to show you an example of the pages on the website we have, so you will know what the pages are. Now this is a website. This is a 6-page website. So these are the pages. You have the home, you have the about, you have the portfolio, you have the contacts, service, and the shop. Those are the pages. All these 6 are the pages. So this is where you create these pages, and then you automatically turn them to menu. So the comment is, if you have a post on this, you can set up a comment, and then this is where you read your comment. So the appearance is where you get your themes, you customize your themes, you edit your themes, and your plugins. Your plugins, like you have a phone and you just bought a new phone, and the phone requires you to install WhatsApp, install Facebook, Instagram on it. This is actually what this plugin stands for. You can use it to install all the plugins you want to use on your website. The plugins that is going to make your website beautiful. That is what you need this plugin session to do. Now we come to users. If you want to give access to someone to be able to help you manage your WordPress, this is where you can do that. So you have tools, and this tools area is the essential area that you need. As most of the themes that you will install on your WordPress, they require you to come to the tools area to import the demo content. I know you don't know what that means, but we're going to talk about that more further when we are going deep on this tutorial. So This is the settings area, the general settings, everything you need to be here. They have the general settings, they have the writing, they have the reading, they have the discussion, they have the media, they have the permalinks, and they have the privacy. So I'm going to show you guys everything that this does during creating your website. And I just want you guys to stick with me while we go in with this tutorial. And I also want to remind you guys to subscribe on my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I'm dropping an interesting and educative videos like this. So we are going to learn how to install theme on this video. So all we need to do is to go to appearance. This is the appearance, and then click on where they say themes. So when you click on where they say themes, you get to see that the WordPress already have a default theme that comes with it. So this is 2025, this is 2024, this is 2024, this is 2023. But we really don't need all this. Sorry about that. We really don't need all this theme. So we're going to be adding a very cool and a wonderful theme that is going to enable us to do whatever we want to do seamlessly and fast. So we go to add theme. When you click on add theme, you're going to see a lot of themes here that you might consider using. You will see a lot of themes here that you would like to use, but we have a particular theme that we are supposed to use for our wonderful curation, and that theme is Astra theme. Astra theme is AXTRA. We already have it here, but if you don't have it on your own, you can search for it, Astra theme, and this is it. This is it. So on the theme, we'll click on install and activate. So the Astra theme is up. If we go back to if we go back to this area and right click, so you're going to see that our front end has changed to a different design. This is how it's supposed to look like when you have a theme installed. Mind you, the theme you are installing is not to make the front end to look like what you're seeing here. No, it's like a default theme that's going to enable you build your website. It's going to give you all the features that this theme has. Build your website to look more classy and slicky. So this is how to install a theme for your website. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to add plugins that is going to be compatible with this theme, and how to use templates on your website if you don't have time to create from scratch. I'm going to show you how to use templates, the template that is compatible for your website, and the plugins that is going to help you achieve that fast and quick website. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like and share. I love you guys.